Stock is higher in today's trading session. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala entity, I think, in Sync Capital. They bought some shares in yesterday's trading session. We don't know the rationale why he bought, but you could tell us more about the company.
Well, yes, In Sync Capital, where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a partner, has bought about 2.95 lakh shares in the company at a price of 102. So this roughly equates to about a 0.5% stake. Now, this company basically uses your robotic process automation to help their clients in their digital journey. So as of now, we've not managed to touch base with the company to understand the kind of products they have, who their end users are, the kind of clients they cater to. But it's clearly in the robotic space and artificial intelligence, which are the buzzwords in IT. The point I'd like to highlight is we've been talking a lot about these smaller companies in the IT space. So I'm just comparing it to COSIN, for example, because COSIN has been such a big mover. Yeah. In 2016, Datamatics has rallied 65%, COSIN has rallied more than 400%. And if you look at the FY16 revenue to market cap for Datamatics, its consolidated revenues are more than that of its market cap. But look at the case in COSIN. So perhaps one of the rationale for someone to buy in could be that this is a tide which has lifted all boats, and now maybe Datamatics, which has been an underperformer compared to some of them. If you take a quick look at the revenues performance in the last few years, it's not been that great. It's been consolidating, so the revenues haven't moved much in the last 3 years at least. So we'll just do a FY16 analysis. Revenues, in fact, are down marginally. Their EBITDA has gone up by about 9%. Profits are rather flat. So the financial performance in the last 3 years is nothing to write home about, pretty flat. But let's see whether, the sentiment, at least in this space, is quite good.
All right, Reema, thanks so much. Made perfect sense there. So maybe a bit of catch-up there on Datamatics, and Big Bull gets in. So maybe, in fact, that's the reason why the stock is excited.